Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload and install your QRPay Pro project using cPanel. As you can see on the screen, begin by selecting the Jeep file of your QRPay Pro project and upload it to your cPanel file manager. Once the upload is complete, extract the Jeep file directly inside your cPanel. After extraction, visit your domain in a new browser tab to confirm that the project has been successfully uploaded. If everything is correct, you should now see the QRPay Pro installation page on your screen. Next, we'll start the installation process. Before proceeding, make sure your server meets the necessary requirements. Check the PHP version and ensure that all required PHP extensions are enabled. As shown on the screen, this step ensures the project runs smoothly without any technical issues. Now, it's time to generate your product key. Enter the required details carefully, including your personal information such as your full name, contact email, country, and phone number. Then provide your company or project information, such as the purchase code, app name, and your website link. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click to generate and verify your product key. As shown on screen, this key is essential for validating your QRPay Pro installation. Next, let's create a new database in cPanel. Go to the MySQL Databases section, create a new database, and then create a database user. Full privileges to the database. Once done, return to the installation page and enter your database name, username, and password in the required fields. This connects your project to the database that will store all your data. After providing the database information, proceed to migrate the database. As you can see on the screen, this step sets up all the necessary tables and data for QRPay Pro. Now provide your super admin credentials. Enter the admin email address, first name, last name, and a secure password. These details will be used to log in to the admin panel after installation. Congratulations! Your setup is now complete. You can now visit your main website or access the admin panel to rebrand, reskin, and configure QRPay Pro according to your business needs. As you can see on screen, the system is now fully ready to use.